So, ayan ang cherry blossoms. Meron pa kami ibang mapupuntahan ng mga... Dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung paano ba ako nakarating dito sa US, um, through Hi everyone! Welcome to Zeta's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. So, today is the 13th of April and past 1 p.m. na. Papunta kami ngayon sa Wickham Park. Supposedly, sa New Haven kami pupunta para dun sa cherry blossom. What's the name of that square again? Wooster Square. Kaya lang, naisip ko, doon sa Booster Square, ang makikita lang namin is cherry blossom. Pero dun sa Wickham Park, iba't ibang variety of flowers and plants yung makikita namin and mas malaki pa yung area. Tapos mas malapit pa kung saan kami nakatira. Kaya sabi ko kay Love, sa sa Wickham Park kami pumunta. Located siya sa Manchester, Connecticut. It's 45 minutes away from our apartment. Tapos today, pag-usapan din natin kung paano ba ako dito nakapunta sa US. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro alam na kung paano, pero dun sa mga bago pa lang makakapanood, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba. So, samahan nyo kami today. So, ayan, bago kami dumiretso doon sa park, pupunta muna si Love dito sa mini library para ilagay ang kanyang mga books. Love, show them your books.
I'm gonna put these 3 books in it because they're, new. They're kind of new. They're kind of my best ones. So I'm gonna go put them in there. But we're scaring this residential area just being parked here like a bunch of criminals making a vlog.
Yan. So, yung Black Cat Sunrise is, ayan, available din yan sa Amazon. Ayan, antayin na lang namin siya dito. So, ayan si Love. Pwede mo doon ilagay yung iyong mga books to share to other people. Ayan, so andito na kami sa Wickham Park.
Back.
Siya yung Wickham Park. Ayan ang mga cherry blossoms. Love, do they accept debit?
They do not.
Oh my gosh. Ayun, so hindi sila nag-a-accept ng debit card, cash lang. Meron kasing car entrance fee na how much is it? $10. So, ayun, babalik kami kasi wala kaming cash para mag-withdraw sila.
Take the next right onto US 44 West.
Say hi everyone! Hi everyone! Ayan, so inaantay namin si Love dito kasi nag-withdraw siya.
They don't do cash back, so I have to use the ATM. And the ATM costs $3.50. And then it's a non-Wells Fargo ATM, so that costs me like $5 or something. And then I have to buy something to get change because Park is going to be like, oh, we don't have change, you need exact, so I need exact. And it cost me, what's that, $10 just to get paper money. Because they don't have a little swiper. Everyone in the world has a swiper, but not these people, What is that?
Why you say bad words lang? So, ayun, medyo mahirap medyo nahirapan siya mag-cashback. Kasi walang malapit na ATM dito. Oh my God, Love, it's raining. Sana tumila na siya. So, ayan, pabalik na kami dun sa park. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Wickham Park. Nakapasok na kami. Malamig. Kasi sobrang lakas ng hangin. And nasa hill kami. Ayan. lamig. Tapos umaambon pa. Ang ganda dito, sobrang laki niya. Hindi ko alam kung maiikot namin to kasi sobrang laki. So, yun lang yung babayaran nyo para makapasok sa park. $10. For weekends yata yun, Saturday and Sunday. Oh my God. It's so cold. Baby. Nasira. So, ayan siya. Mataas. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. It's very cool. Ayan, medyo tumigil na yung hangin. Sobrang lamig kanina. Sira. Sira. Bulit ng sibig. Ayan, humangin na naman. Ayan, so, pabalik na kami doon sa car. Kasi gano'n na nga yung gagawin namin. Drive around and then park na lang kung meron kaming area na gustong i-check. Kasi sobrang laki nga nung place. Tapos habang tayo ay pabalik doon sa car, doon sa mga hindi nakakaalam kung paano ba ako nakarating dito sa US, through fiancé visa or K1 visa.
Want to show them Hartford?
Oh yeah. Later lang. Tapos ang ganda nung dito, area. I don't think they can see it. Yeah, so is that Hartford?
My finger under it.
Ayan. So yun daw ang Hartford.
Zoom in.
Now I'm sharing something about how did I get here in the US, and I'm gonna show it there. I'm gonna show them that place. So yun, so through K1 visa, fiancé visa, yun yung visa na gagamitin mo pagka meron kang partner dito sa US, tapos hindi pa kayo kasal. So, dito kayo din magpapakasal. Then after nyo magpakasal, you have 90 days to get married here in the United States. And then, mag-a-adjust ka ng status para makakuha ka ng green card. So, ayun. So, yung processing namin noon is May 2022 kami nag-apply. Tapos December 2023 kami nakadating dito ng baby namin, ng aking fiancé. Well, now my husband. Sira and Love. So, ayun. Kaya ako nakadating dito sa United States. So, ayan ang Hartford, Connecticut. Kita siya dito kasi nasa mataas kaming lugar. Sa hill kami. Oh, you can use this one.
I forgot my quarter in the car. I had a quarter, but it's in the car.
What is that?
Quarter. You need a quarter.
What is that? Oh. Ayan, para ka dyan, observe.
Roses.
Roses pero walang bulaklak. Pulang-pula na si Zira. Zira! Here. Here. Super ganda dito. Mas maganda sana kung maaraw. And, hindi mahangin. Lamig eh. Hirap maglakad-lakad. I-freeze na nga yung kamay ko. Okay, so andito kami sa Oriental Garden. Kasi naman ang hangin.
This is a foo dog, but there are supposed to be two foo dogs. I don't know where the other one is. The foo dogs guard the gates of enlightenment, and their names are Paradox and Confusion. And Paradox and Confusion are what keep people from attaining enlightenment, thus the foo dog. But I don't know where the other one is. This is only one that's not correct. There should be another one.
So, ayan, Oriental Gardens. Di ba Oriental Garden means parang Asian thing? China. China bang Oriental? So, meron silang papan dyan. Ayan na ang cherry blossoms. Ang ano ng weather, pa iba-iba. Araw, kukulimlim, uulan. Ay, may Scottish Garden din. The Scottish Garden. Gusto ko sanang mag-take ng pictures eh. Para kay Zeta, kaso lamig. So, ito ay cherry walk. So, here are the cherry blossoms. It's very cold. But it says they are cherry walks, but that means it's cherry. Muulan. Baka magkasakit si Zeta. La, it's raining. So, ayan ang cherry blossoms. Hindi siya ganun karami, hindi katulad nung nandun sa New Haven. Pero okay na din kasi mas maganda yung place dito kaysa sa New Haven. Zeta! Still raining na. And so we are hiding from the rain because it's raining. We are afraid that Zeta might get sick. Pero nawala naman na yung ulan. Ayan, so yung cherry blossoms, there you go.
This is it. After this, no more cherry blossoms for 2 years.
Pinilit ko lang kasi siya na pumunta.
This has been causing me a lot of difficulty in life. I had to take a day off of work for this.
That's how much he loves me. Yeah. Paano kaya kukuhanan ng picture si Zeta? Ang ulan.
This is what no one is
Love it so. It's making me dizzy.
I know it's
The point is for you to make me dizzy.
I have a visceral experience.
So, ayan ang daffodils. Nandito kami ngayon sa Scottish Garden. Sana wag nang humangin. Sobrang ginaw kasi. Mamaya may playground doon for sa mga ka-age ni Zeta. Punta kami doon. Oh my God. Sobrang putik na ng shoes ko. Yan si Zeta. Take a picture. Stand there. What's that? Is that cherry?
I think that's what they have it where we live.
What? That kind. Now look at my shoes. It's all dirty. Punta kami dyan sa bridge na yan. Nandito kami sa bridge, umuulan na naman. Wala daw koi dun sa pond. Because love, you're tall. Ayan, ang lakas ng hangin, sobra. So, ayan, punta na kami sa ibang gardens. Kasi nga, sobrang laki niya, hindi naman maiikot lahat to.
This is Fat Buddha. We're gonna rub his belly for good luck. Oh no.
What, Mama? Is that real or are you just making it up?
I think it's real. I'm gonna do Tai Chi, but just for the lulls. It seems like an appropriate place to do.
Okay, so andito kami ngayon sa English Garden. Meron silang dito, parang tulay, path. Ang cute niya tingnan. Buti medyo tumigil na yung hangin, hindi na siya ganun kalamig. Meron dito, Lilac Walk. Lilac Walk. Ang putik na ng shoes ko. White pa naman. Pero okay lang. Super ganda dito. So sa mga taga-Connecticut dyan na hindi pa nakakapunta ng Wickham Park, you can consider visiting here. Sobrang ganda. Very relaxing kung mahilig kayo sa nature. So, papunta kami dito sa may grass. Magpipicture kami dito ni Zira. Kaya lang, basa yata. I love it's wet. We thought it won't be wet. Let's just take a video. There. Say hi, Zira.
Hi, Zeta.
Say hi to the camera. I'm so cold. So, ito yung place. Super ganda talaga. Wala na akong ibang masabi kundi super ganda ng place. Lalo na kung hindi siya ganun kalamig. Hirap kasing mag-ikot-ikot dahil nga si Zira ay baby pa. Sobrang lamig. Baka magkasipon at ubo. andito ako sa may middle part ng park. Hindi na lumabas ng car si Zira at saka si Richie kasi nga sobrang lamig. Ayan, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Kasi nga sobrang nung weather pa iba-iba. Ang lamig. So yung place na to, para siyang kung ikukumpara ko siya sa mga iba ko napuntahan, sa Land of the Morning Calm, sa Korea, South Korea, yon. Halos pareho siya. Super naturey. Tapos may iba't ibang species ng flowers at halaman. Tapos yun, mura lang ang entrance. Car entrance fee of $10. Pangit nga lang ng clouds kasi nga walang araw. Pero mas maganda sanang pumunta dito kung maaraw siya. Ayan, so babalik na ako dun sa car. Kasi malamig. Ayan, so tapos na kami dito sa Wickham Park. Pupunta na kami sa, where are we going, love? Sa Kohl's para maghanap ng dress ni Zira and then kakain kami. So gagawa na lang siguro ako ng ibang video doon dahil masyado nang mahaba ang video na to. So ayan lang guys, thank you so much for supporting Zira's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Zira.